Now, a lot of you guys have been asking me if the indicator can be used for spike catching. So in this video, we are going to be catching some spikes using the indicator. We're going to apply the indicator to all of the boom and crash indices that we have. Boom 1000, boom 900, boom 300, all of them, crash 300, all of the boom and crash indices that we have. And we're going to be applying this indicator to the charts, and it's going to help us find some trades. So we're going to be looking mostly into spike catching, and we're going to be testing out if the indicator works perfectly fine in spike catching. Now, as you guys know, I'm going to be giving away a free copy of this indicator to one lucky winner from the comment section. So all you have to do is to watch up until the end so that you can find out how you can win this indicator. So we just got a trade alert from the indicator. This is crash 600. We just got this sell entry. So we immediately going to jump into that sell entry right now and see how it goes. So right there, we just got into the sell entry. Our indicator gave us this trade from the 15-minute time frame. So we're expecting price to drop probably somewhere around here. This is crash 600, one of the new crashes that we have on deriv. But now we just got the sell entry. We're a little bit late on this trade. Could have jumped in somewhere around here, but still we're just going to take advantage of this retracement and jump in. So I'm going to be updating you guys on how this trade goes. So we took this trade on crash 1000. As you can see, we took a buy trade right here on crash 1000. I forgot to record when I took this trade, but I actually sent it in our VIP signals group, so you can actually see that we ended or we analyzed this way earlier, and this was how it was looking like on the indicator itself. You can see we got the buy entry right here, and we got another one right there, but we were already in right there, so we jumped in right at the bottom right here. I really like this trade because number one, we were in this blue zone, and number two, we got the buy entry signal. So this trade, as you can see, it's crash 1000. This trade was really um, really easy to make for me because I had so many conditions met by the indicator itself. So here's how it looks like in the VIP signals group. This is the analysis that I sent to them. As you can see, at 11, and this is how it looked like. Okay, so you can see we ended right there at the bottom, and you can see also the risk and reward that we had, and you can see the results that were coming up. So yeah, saying right here you can see it says recovery. So this was our recovery trade because we had lost some trades before, but nonetheless, today we're going to be trading boom and crash. I'm going to be looking at boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 300, crash 900, crash 600, boom 600, all the booming crash that we have, all the indices, and we're going to be using this indicator to find some trades, and I'm going to be showing you all the trades. I'll try not to forget to record just before I enter, and then we can go through the trades all together. But nonetheless, we've already killed crash 1000. Let's go to the next index. Guys, what did I tell you? I told you let's sell crash 600. I told you that it was selling, so we managed to catch all those spikes, guys. Look at that. That's our entry on crash 600. We got those sell trades from the indicator, and we ended immediately. So one of the things I like is when I went to the 30-minute time frame, I actually realized that we are in this yellow zone as well, which is a zone that we most likely sell. As you can see, HDF gem price reached this yellow zone, it would sell, and it would sell. So we were more comfortable with taking this trade because we knew there are so many things confirming the trade. But look at that, this spike catching with the indicator. Most of you guys will be asking me, can you do spike catching? Yeah, it is crash 600. We don't usually trade that here, but for you guys, I've decided to do it just to show you guys how powerful this is. So we just got a buy entry on boom 900. It's also one of the new booming crash indices that we have got. So this is the buy entry right there from the indicator. The indicator did all the analysis and it said we can buy here. So hopefully we can catch some spikes right there. I'm just going to go ahead and press buy and hold our position. So this is some spike catching that we are doing with the indicator. I'm going to be updating you guys on how this trade goes, but look at it. It looks good already. It's giving bullish candlesticks already. So let's see if we can make some money with that trade. What did I tell you guys? It's been like 5 minutes. Look at that spike that we caught on boom 900. I told you we're going to buy. We're buying from this level that we got the trade from using the indicator. And look at that spike. Look how big that spike is. So those of you that have been asking, does the indicator catch spikes? I don't know which other spikes you can catch without this strategy. Look at that. Look at that, guys. This spike is so big. This boom 900. Look at it. Look at how far it's been pushing, guys. So we're good with this trade. We're good. We're good. I think there's a very big movement in just like 5 minutes, guys. It hasn't been long. It hasn't been long. And the indicator just proved itself that it is the best spike catching indicator. With the right strategy, guys, you can catch these spikes. So it's been a few minutes and the indicator gave us another trade alert. We just got this sell trade entry on boom 500. So we're going to immediately jump in because it is not a very long trade. So just got into a sell trade right there, right here, just a few minutes late, but we know that it's not going to go on for long. Maybe it's going to uh, rest around this region, uh, just retrace to that zone and go back up. But for now, we're just going to capitalize all the pips that we can get because I realize that there are so many pips on this trade. Let me show you the risk to reward ratio on this trade that we might get. Okay, let me show you so that you understand. So we're trying to get in on this trade right here, and that's how it looks like. So it's a 1:2 or roughly. The take profit is down here. The SL is just above the entry. If price goes above this entry, we know that this trade failed. And so our take profit is around this region, this blue zone. And that gives us about $16 with one lot size. And we are risking about $8 for the trade. So if we win, we win. If we lose, well, we just lose about $8 on that trade. So let's see how this indicator is going to perform. We just got a trade alert on boom 300. This is a sell entry trade that we got from the indicator, and we're going to immediately jump into this trade. It looks perfectly fine for me. Plus, the indicator also confirmed the trade. So right there, we just jumped into the sell. Looks like we were selling right at the peak of the market. Hopefully, first, the market is going to destroy this zone. Just go to this zone first. So that is probably our first take profit level right there on the previous buy entry that we got from the indicator. And that should give us around $5 with one lot size. So hopefully it drops even further down because as you can see, if we are right here with one lot size, that's about $6 as you can see. So this is almost like a 1:1 risk reward trade right there. Stop loss is just above here if we fail, but we will hopefully we want the market to go even further down. So we just took the trade just to capitalize on the market. It might be a big move, it might be a small move, but if we don't enter, then if we don't risk, then we're not going to get anything. So going to try and get some pips right there. We're trading against the spikes. It's been like 30 minutes and we are deep in profit on Crash 600. I told you guys we're going to sell Crash 600 based on what the indicator had said. This was the setup. This is the 30-minute time frame, and this is how the whole setup looked like. So the indicator did the analysis, gave us this yellow zone and this blue zone. And at the yellow zone, we know that we are looking for sell trades. And soon after that, we got this sell entry trade right there, and we jumped in straight into the sell trade to try and catch some spikes on Crash 600. And look at that, we are deep in profit on Boom 300, guys. Look at that. I told you it's gonna sell. It's been like 10 minutes now, and we're selling. Keeps on giving us more and more sell momentum, and this is how it looks like on our chart. So you can see that it removed the buy entry that we had on the previous side, because we've literally changed direction into a sell zone. So we're now on the sell side, and look at that, we're going down. This is a very interesting trade, because it might give us a very big move. I'm anticipating that we might even go to this level. I don't know, it's been long since it's been buying, so there might be some correction right there going on. I don't know, but lucky enough, the indicator gave us an entry. Whatever happens, whatever is going on, it's fine. We trust the indicator, and we trust this analysis. So it's pushing, guys. It's pushing down. We're already in profit, but we're just going to get all the pips that we can. I know a lot of traders don't like holding profits. They would rather close profits quickly, but then if it's losses, people hold for hours and hours. You should do the opposite. If you're losing, close quickly and get into the next winning trade, and then hold for long. You should only hold long winning trades. Okay, you should only hold winning trades. Don't hold losses. Okay, move on to the next trade. Don't marry trades. Okay, so most of you guys marry trades. You'll be interested so much in that trade that you can't even leave it. You shouldn't do that, and usually it happens when you're losing, and that's bad. So updating you guys on this one. Crash 600 was just too much. I didn't even expect this big move, but look at that. All these spikes that we caught using the indicator, this is how it looks like. It keeps on selling. It keeps on selling. Guys, I don't know. I'm closing. We are deep down in profit. So I think we did pretty well on this trade. I'll be updating you guys on other trades, but wow, Crash 600 definitely killed by the indicator. Definitely killed by the indicator, guys. All trades in profit. Boom 500 is also now in profit. It's been like 15 minutes since we ended this trade, and we are in profit. So we ended this sell trade that we got from the indicator in the 15-minute time frame, and you can see it's been selling for the past 15 minutes non-stop. So we are in profit again on Boom 500. I haven't lost a trade yet with the indicator. We've been pushing, and I'm going to be updating you guys in a few hours. I think it's going to move down a little bit more. It's already shown that there's strong momentum. Already we're targeting this blue zone. Once my price reaches this blue zone, I'm closing, because this is definitely a scalping trade. I can't hold this for hours, because that doesn't make sense. Okay, using the indicator, I already know that this zone price will react to this blue zone definitely, and we're most likely looking for buying opportunities in this blue zone. So if I see my price approaching this blue zone, I know it's time to close. So I can't hold this trade for long. That's definitely guaranteed. So that's another way to use the indicator to show you how long can you hold a trade, because a lot of you guys will always be asking me, how long should we hold this trade? How long should we hold this trade? With the indicator, you'll be able to see where price is going. So for example, if my price was pushing up to this yellow zone up there, I would know my price would react to this zone. So whenever it starts to approach this yellow zone, I want to start closing my buy positions. Okay, so that's another thing, or another trick to use with this indicator. I don't want to call it a trick because it's just a strategy. Okay, so it's another strategy with on working with the indicator. Okay, so boom, 500 is a dip in profit. Let's see if we have more trades in profit, but definitely all of our trades are deep in profit. Okay, guys, I promise this is my last update on Crash 600. Look at that, guys. The whole screen is filled with spikes. Wow. Look at our entry here. Look at where price is now. Look at how it looks like with the indicator that gave us this sell entry right there to this. I'm closing this trade. This is the last update, guys. I promise. Plus, we are reaching this buy entry zone. So I know price will react to this region. Definitely, it will definitely react. It might cross, but it will react and push up maybe or do something there. So that's the advantage of having the indicator. I can already see price is hesitating to reach this zone. This spike would have pushed even further down if there wasn't this buy entry from the indicator. Okay, so yeah, my last update on Crash 600 definitely killed. Took all the spikes in like, how many minutes is this? I think it's about 1 hour 30 minutes. Yep, because we have got 1, 2, 3 30-minute candlesticks. That's 1 hour 30 minutes. Yep, you get all the spikes in 1 hour 30 minutes. Wow. Okay, quick update on Boom 300. We got the sell trade from the indicator, which is this sell trade that you see, that sell entry that you see there. We got it from our indicator, and this is how it looks like. We are deep in profit. It's been about 20 minutes or so. Yeah, roughly 20 minutes straight into profit, zero drawdown. We're catching some ticks here, not spikes. We're getting some ticks here. So, yep, deep in profit. Power of the indicator. This was just a quick update. I hope the move is going to be a little bit more than this. If it's not, well, this is what we got so far. So far so good. It's not bad, especially if you are catching ticks. If you're getting ticks, okay. It would have been bad if it was spikes, but ticks, it's okay. Okay, guys, we are done scalping Boom 500. We've reached this blue zone right here, and I already told you guys that the indicator, if it gives you this blue zone, you're most likely going to be buying. So you're in a buy region right here, and we can't be trading in that region, but we are deep in profit. And so the indicator already indicated to us that this is a high spiking zone, so we might be caught by a spike. That's why I want to immediately enter these blue waters that we have right here. So we're going to close that trade. Probably the indicator might actually switch and give us a buy entry within this blue zone right here. So I don't want to be caught by the spike. So we're jumping out. We did well. We knew it was a scalping trade. There was no way we could hold this forever. I mentioned it earlier that there was no way that I was going to hold this trade for long. So it's been 30 minutes. The 15-minute candlestick is closing in about 3 minutes, which is this candlestick. And before it closes, usually something happens. So we're going to close this trade before something happens. But nonetheless, we got what we wanted. We were scalping for some ticks, and we got all the ticks. Let me show you how it looks like in the 1 minute time frame. So for those of you that like scalping and putting all those high lot sizes, if you can afford to risk that, this would be great, because imagine just getting all these ticks for free, right? So let's close that trade and move on. Okay, guys, it's only been like 5 minutes since I gave you the last update on Boom 300, but we are still in profit. It's moving slowly but surely. This was the analysis from the indicator. And I thought right now, as we monitor this trade, because this is the last trade that I have that I'm holding, Boom 900 was deep in profit. Boom 500, we close in profit. Boom 300 is currently in profit. We've got Crash 600, which we crashed. Okay, we've got a spike right there, coming back closer to our entry. But nonetheless, we're going to see what happens. Crash 1000 was killed. I showed you the trade. We first said it in the VIP Signals group. So I just wanted to tell you guys that you can actually win this indicator right now. You know, on each and every video, I give away this indicator to you guys, and all you have to do is to be in the comment section. So I'm going to pick a winner from the comment section that we're going to send this indicator, and I'm going to be picking a winner on each and every video. So stay tuned. It might be your lucky day. Guys, let us pick the lucky winner for the indicator. As you can see, I'm on my channel, and the lucky winner on this video is going to be this account right here. I can't find it anymore. Okay, this account right here. Congratulations, you're the lucky winner. I don't know how to pronounce this, but right here, feel free to contact us to get the indicator, to get a copy of the indicator and the tutorials on how to install the indicator, as well as the strategies to use with the indicator. We've been seeing your comments for a long time now, so congratulations. Finally, you won the indicator. We've been seeing your comments, and if you're wondering how do you win the indicator, all you have to do is to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. And as you can see, we choose we choose the winners from the comment section. So make sure you comment something interesting down below that we can pick up easily, and you win the indicator. But nonetheless, everyone is a winner because you can simply subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and then send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp channel, to my WhatsApp number. It will be available in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, and you'll be able to find my WhatsApp number, and then you send me a screenshot showing me that you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and you have commented, and I'll send you a link to join our Currencies Signals group, where we'll be trading using the indicator only. So if you want to join that one for free and get 30 days of signals, just follow the simple steps. Okay, until next time.